I am Stacey Dumas. I'm currently the Chief Information Officer of Advanced Energy. The common thread is having a good partnership, and a partnership that allows us to focus on the strategic. That's where GAVS has always filled that. Partnership is so critical to us because we change on a dime. Our alignment is strategic, internal, blocking and tackling, tactical work, external, with a third-party partner that becomes a part of us, a part of our team. And GAVS has certainly done that over the last years. We're looking at how we maintain our corporate cost structure. The partnership has allowed us to actually go to GAVS. So we went to Sumeet and said, hey, we've got to figure out how we can support our strategy and our customer set without growing our costs significantly. What more can you do for us? And we're going to spend the next 3 to 4 months figuring out how this partnership can be leveraged to further align IT with the company and further enable the goals of Advanced Energy. So engaging GAVS at Advanced Energy was an easy decision for me. I started engaging GAVS at Storage Tech in late 1990s, like 99, and they delivered in every case. And as I've moved as a CIO to other companies like SpectraLink, I've always brought GAVS in, and sometimes in very different areas. They've done SAP work for me. They've done NOC work, network, systems, and now we're doing some additional SAP work. They've also always done web design and web development work for my teams and done a stellar job. So in coming to Advanced Energy, knew I had to change the strategy of the corporation, needed, again, a partner in doing so. Bringing GAVS was a simple answer. I have continuously recommended GAVS to my colleagues, and not only to my colleagues, I think GAVS has been using me for a very long time in recommending as they do new processing. And I have continuously recommended leveraging GAVS.
I'm Rob Milan. I'm the CIO for Hunter Douglas. I've been in the information technology business for almost 30 years. We like to do business with great partners and do business not just for a few years, but for a few decades. And that colors the way we make decisions about business, the way we make decisions about technology, and make decisions about our partners in the marketplace. GAVS is a very good example of that. We've done business with them for over 10 years, in part because they have that same commitment to long-term relationships, to always doing the right thing by their clients, and that fits very well with our culture and values here at Hunter Douglas. So GAVS provides services to us in several different areas, including computer operations, help desk, and application support, and recently in web development and quality assurance testing. So they're active with us in almost every part of the information technology function. So GAVS, through their combination of onshore and offshore resources, has a very cost-effective model for providing services. What that means for Hunter Douglas's business is we're able to deliver IT services and work on IT projects on a cost structure that is reasonable, that allows us to pursue some projects which, absent GAVS's resources, the business model might not justify the project. So said differently, they make it possible for us to do some kinds of projects which we wouldn't be able to do otherwise and deliver sufficient return. So they're at the core of us getting great return on investment on technology projects. I recommend GAVS very highly. They are an extraordinarily good fit with the Hunter Douglas business culture because of their focus on long-term relationships and working closely with the client to make sure every outcome is as good as it can be. Over nearly 30 years in this business, I've worked with a lot of vendors, a lot of partners, and GAVS stands out to me as having an uncommon commitment to the long-term relationship and to the quality of the interaction. So we find them to be not only cost-effective, but genuinely great long-term partner for us.
Hi, my name is Marcus Daly. I'm the CTO for MarketForce. GAVS is a company we've been working with now for a number of years, and they've been very strategic for us. We've actually been developing a couple of products with them. One of the unique characteristics of GAVS, of the relationship with GAVS, has been their innovative approach to working with us on this platform. There's certainly a major work ethic part to this, which has been significant. The guys have been fantastic in terms of putting in the time needed to turn around this very quickly, but also in terms of problem resolution and creative thinking. We've actually had to put together this platform. We've done it on a platform and using technologies that are not commonly used for this, but fit the bill very nicely. And that's required us to think outside the box many times. And GAVS has definitely stepped up to the plate, where there's been a lot of an exchange of ideas and problem solving. So it's been a great partnership, and it's one that I'm hoping that we'll continue to move forward with, both tactically as well as strategically and through 2013.
Hello, I'm Erik Back. I'm the Chief Information Officer, and I've been working here at Bronx, Lebanon for approximately 15 years. With the changing healthcare environment, we needed to become much more efficient and have a higher quality and reliability in our computer operations. We went through a fairly exhaustive selection process. We considered 8 vendors very carefully, and we selected GAVS finally because we believed that GAVS would provide us with a cost-effective solution that was very reliable and high quality. Less than 5 months from contract signing to full implementation and go live, that was a remarkable achievement. We expected cost efficiencies and savings, and we achieved that. What we were pleasantly surprised with was the high quality of the implementation effort, and as well as the tremendous flexibility that GAVS technologies brought to the table. The GAVS technologies were a very, very important partner to us, being able to flexibly adapt to rapidly changing conditions.